Another one, UGM visited Atani, Obaru local government headquarter for inside that local government. They say as they enter there, every motor, anything where they there, born yata yata. My people, things are happening. As they talk that one, they say that the Nigerians ready for inside their market to play, so for street or for everywhere. They call this man where they look for up here, say make him resign, because if he know if he handle Nigeria well, say main shift man another person take over the position. Things are happening. My people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today not the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring you updates back to back as they hot. I want you to watch this video that I'm going to show you of waiting happen for Atani, where the local government headquarter, as the unknown government visited that place. Or be smart, I go play the video, may you watch, and also we'll come back immediately. Just watch the video before we come. Please share this video as many as you can and drop your own opinion for a second. Watch the video before we come back and continue.
Presently happening in Atani, about local government headquarters. If I want to tetano toto hapo, tetano toto hapo. Sikango sipande about nefa kaligopani, kaligani.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. This is now waiting they happen inside the Southeast as we they talk right now. Let of UGM we be say they don't come since all of them don't come outside, though things don't they happen. My wonderful people, I'm going to show you this video of waiting Nigeria's talk. But before they talk, get one story what I want you to for the place where they call Omaka for our low side for inside Imo State. They say that UGM carry 2 people for there, put one for boot, carry and go. Instead those people, now then they give information of where they make Nigeria Army and Nigeria Police they locate them immediately. And that's how they understand. They say most of those people, they be members of other Igbo or Haneze Igbo or any Igbo this thing where they carry for inside that place. This thing they happen for Olo Omaka. My people, I'm going to show you this video. May you hear what the people waiting for inside street they talk concerning Tudumbo. Hear and with your own ear and share the video.
If you don't know how to rule, clear the way for people that know how to rule. You have no solution to the country problem, yet you will not leave the space.
Are you saying Tinubu is better to Buhari?
In the aspect of wickedness, in the aspect of wickedness and evil, he surpasses Buhari. Is that Nigerians are keeping quiet, as if nothing is happening. They are too fearful. Fear for nothing.
What are your expectations?
My expectation is that every Nigeria, because as it is now, everybody in Nigeria is suffering. Anybody that hey, I'm not, everybody is suffering. Everybody is suffering. There is no average Nigeria. Everybody in Nigeria now is currently poor. Those that count themselves to be rich, go and check their cars. People are driving cars of 002 and they are counting themselves to be big man. People are driving cars of 03. Those people that drive car of 03, 08 are supposed to be driving 2019, 2022. So the thing is telling on every individual of this country. So what I expect is that everybody should come out and put an end. Wait, I don't even know. If, for instance, on your mandate, we shall start. What sort of country is? Sometimes I just look at this country, I'm fed up of this country. You will be wondering that such a person in this 21st century will come out and say these people are doing well. You will see it now. Let campaign start. You will see it. You will see part of these people that are suffering will come out and wear t-shirts. And some politicians will not even be ashamed. They will even put his poster and their own will be with him. That they are campaigning that this government should continue. And him himself is trying to separate himself from the government of Buhari. He was part and parcel of that government. Everything that APC have brought.
Make a point here. Tinubu, they use your head.
Hey, let me leave you. Silence, sorry. I'm not being no.
Anybody will know what they come out.
They won't come on your eye.
Oh, no, they won't kill me. If you know your brother, he go kill make a lie. You know the meaning of Obi for Yoruba? Now bad cola.
Obi, no, it doesn't mean bad cola. Obi.
I don't talk that.
Okay, how does it feel right now living in Nigeria?
I'm not a Nigerian. I'm a Ghanaian.
You are not a Nigerian.
I'm not a Nigerian.
Uncle, how about you, sir?
About what? About
Living in Nigeria, so how does it feel right now?
Even as a big Nigeria, we say I don't get money to come up from Nigeria, and I make a day for this country now. This morning,
Hold the mic, sir.
no, I don't even want to talk about it because I know the talk don't tire me. You know they reach anywhere. You know they reach anywhere.
Oh, I'm gonna do it.
So, if you get money now, you will come up.
I will come up for this country now. Waiting a day.
Your father's land.
After you don't finish, which fatherland? After you don't finish, if Nigeria don't finish, waiting there again.
How is Tinubu administration?
Now Tinubu might be the worst administration. That be the worst. Even now, sir. Now. When the time where Buhari dey, I think one come out. He say we go remember them. Now I come find out say true. I dey remember Buhari now.
Are you saying Tinubu better pass Buhari?
Buhari better pass Tinubu. He say Tinubu better. Who should Tinubu? When Buhari dey rule, how much do they sell garri? How much do they sell rice? How much do fuel, kerosene?
As a family man now, do you feel that Tinubu is not competent? Is the one inflicting things on Nigerians?
Too much pains. Even as I did now, my family now, I leave them for nothing. No money, no nothing. While I never did that kind of thing before.
And you never chop?
I never, you see my hand now. This country don't tire me.
Alright, thank you. So Tinubu falling, showing...
Most of the Nigerians are even annoyed that he's supposed to pass there and die. Because the type of suffering and pain this man have afflicted in Nigerians is too much. That falling is not even enough. It's not enough.
You want him to die?
They want him to die.
You are wishing your president dead.
People are wishing him death because what he's doing there, he has killed me.
Nothing you go ask me where I go after. You know my character. Now only my God. Now they enjoying government.
Okay.
Are they sweat?
I just want to ask you, 1 year in office, has it been anything?
I know them for their. I know they are so wrong.
No, the thing we don't do for Nigeria now.
Wetin concern Nigeria? Wetin me I know they suffer. If you suffer be your person, how to send them? If nobody be your person, carry and go. Person dey chop better food like leave am. Na God wey dey feed. If una see na God wey dey feed people for.
Na bad wey do sign the whole so when they start when they make
Na God wey dey
what when they
God is not happy. President.
democracy dey hit not
to mention
the dead people.
So Tinubu fall now.
Yes, it's because of the people they starve people and they don't make him fall. So our grant go him.
People cry.
People are crying. People are crying.
They beat you when you dey cry. You never cry before Tinubu come.
On democracy day. Only mention the dead people. Why mention the dead people? Where do you mention the dead people?
Okay, because of bad thing when they do now, you make them fall.
Yes.
Even falling over, this was saying they suffer, making the suffer they go. Suffer is not my fault. Obasanjo dey, they cry. Obasanjo come out, Jonathan enter. This my friend they cry yo. We think say Buhari go good.
After Ambassador Yaradua.
After Yaradua. Jonathan. After Jonathan. Buhari. Now cry when they cry for the first tenor. This 50th tenor to he still they cry. He has a Tinubu fall. He they happy. Nobody will know before. This our grand. You can miss leg. I'm for you know me saying hey.
For that
So wait, make I talk my own momo. If I don't talk, you know they hear. So I don't think they talk about say whether Nigeria good or whether Nigeria no good. I dey enjoy my government. I'm a driver and I dey chop out of my sweat. If I no carry wood, I know they chop. So for that,
make you continue.
Not I you not gonna use. He go continue. Continue. Make him go out of to go pursue am. Nine no. Our local.
Say it again.
He say our local. Our local. So
They're suffering. Anybody that hey, I'm not. Everybody is suffering. Everybody is suffering. There is no average Nigeria. Everybody in Nigeria now is currently poor. Those that count themselves to be rich, go and check their cars. People are driving cars of 002. And they are counting themselves to be big man. People are driving cars of 03. Those people that drive car of 03, 08 are supposed to be driving 2019, 2022. So the thing is telling on every individual of this country. So what I expect is that everybody.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Now, so we'll see for the matter, and now we'll say we'll carry and come quickly give on now. Please share this video and make sure say you drop your own opinion for inside comment section as it is hot. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you will get our updates back to back.